In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a Google Sheet into Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or personal projects, integrating live data from Google Sheets can make your slides more professional and impactful. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open Google Slides in your web browser by typing slides.google.com in the address bar. Sign in using your Google account, making sure it's the same account that has access to the Google Sheet you want to insert. Once signed in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can either create a blank presentation or choose from one of the many pre-made templates. Starting with a blank slide gives you full control, while a template can save time and provide a polished look immediately. Next, open the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to include. Highlight the specific cells you need and copy them to your clipboard just like you would in any spreadsheet. Then, return to your Google Slides presentation, navigate to the slide where you want the data, and paste it. After pasting, a dialog box will appear giving you an important choice: Link to Spreadsheet. Select this option to ensure that any future changes made in your Google Sheet will automatically update in your slides. This creates a dynamic connection that keeps your presentation current without extra effort. Click Paste to confirm, and your data will now be fully integrated into your slide. With your Google Sheet successfully added, you can resize and reposition it as needed to fit your layout. This feature is perfect for creating data-driven presentations that are both visually appealing and accurate. It allows you to share the most up-to-date information with your audience, boosting the clarity and professionalism of your work. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly add live data from Google Sheets into Google Slides, creating dynamic and effective presentations. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to try this out in your next project and stay tuned for more tips and tricks in upcoming videos.